Folks, today we are working on a 2025 Chevy Express van. What we are doing, I have a blinker light, or I should say bulb, and a marker light that have gone bad already, and I need to change those out. So what we're going to use today to do this job is a flathead screwdriver. We're going to get right into it. So right here on the side, I'm going to put the screwdriver in, or another type of pry tool. And you want to actually pry this edge out, just like so. So you can see it's this little gizmo right here. When you push it in, that releases it from this little hole right there. Then on the opposite side, you can just pull this whole thing out, just like so. Then this is a brand new one because we've rebuilt the front end of this van. But in this case, we got our two bulbs that need to go in place. First, we got, for the bigger one, we got a 3157. So we're gonna take one of those out, plop it in right there. And then for the smaller guy right here, we got a 168. And that's what you're gonna use to replace the bulbs. And then we'll just put them, we'll take these little guys off, these little covers, and clean it up. And with the new bulbs in, we'll put it all back into place. And she'll be ready to go. Stand by. All right, we got the new bulb right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and clip it right into place. There it goes. Now we're gonna take the 168, and we're gonna install it as well. This one is incredibly easy as well. So we take the bulb, and then we just push it right into place, just like that. Now I'm gonna go turn on the vehicle and test those two out, make sure they are functioning before we put them back into the housing. Went ahead and turned on the hazard lights. Now we're gonna go up front. There we go. Now we confirmed both of them are working as they should. Now we're gonna go ahead, take our light. We're gonna place it back inside. There we go. And then we twist it to the left. Now that's in place. Now we take this guy. So essentially they have, if you look closely, they have these little notches. One right here and one right here. We just want to line it up with the notches in the hole. And we put it in, and then we're going to turn right, folks, and check this out. Now we got a functioning light. So when we put this back in, we want to come over here and make sure this little edge goes in that hole right there. And then this will slide, and then we're going to make sure that chrome piece goes in that hole. Boom. Just like that. She's ready to rock and roll. Now we're going to move forward with the opposite side. Got my screwdriver. And this place pretty much got it popped out. Pop that out. Gonna have to go back here and fish these wires. There we go. I'm gonna have to remove these old broken bulbs. This one is ready for the new one, but I need to remove that one. I know typically you don't want to touch the glass, but I'm doing this one-handed to show you people. There we go. That one's in place. Now we're going to grab the little bulb. Make sure we get everything lined up in here. There we go. Perfect. We got those ones back in. Let's go ahead. I'm going to use the key fob this time. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to go ahead. We are going to install This time I'm going to start with the small one, just making sure we get them lined up correctly. There's only one way it will go in, so if it doesn't go in correctly, then that's an issue. Okay, looks like it goes like this, just like that. Okay. I've got a little bit of extra cable back here, so we're gonna push that back in. Then we're gonna line up this side over here first. There we go. And go ahead and push that loom back in, and then boom. Let's test this out one more time. Beautiful. And that's it, folks. Anybody can do it. All you need is a flathead screwdriver or a trim tab puller, and you could have this done in less than 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. If this helps, like and subscribe.